Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got a special video here for you guys because you requested it. So I'm gonna show you what I think are my top 5 favorite blades in my collection right now as of August 2020. Yes, this is one of them, guys. This is the Konig Arius Generation 4 flipper. It's a blue carbon fiber, it's a sprint run, and I really like this guy because of many reasons. Like, first of all, the weight, it's ridiculous. This is 4 ounces, and it's just fantastic in the hand. You can keep this one in the hand and keep playing with it all day long, and yeah, it's gonna be beautiful. You're not gonna be feeling any fatigue whatsoever. The flipper tab is beautifully designed for a push button and for a light switch, so both are gonna be beautiful to deploy to deploy the blade. Also, like, what I like is the grind. It's a very nice hollow grind. I like the overall design of this guy. It's like kind of like symmetrical. It's just beautiful. Very easy to disengage the lock bar with this jimping going on. The grip in the hand is fantastic. It's one of the best feeling knives in the hand that I've ever experienced. It's just beautiful. Super light. The action. I mean, guys, look at this. How cool is this action here? It's just fantastic. It really is extremely smooth. So that is one. Next up, we've got the Shirogorov F95R Slim. This is something truly spectacular, guys. It's a very cool knife. I like this one because it's very slim. It's 4.4 ounces, so it's quite light to be a titanium frame lock. It has some internal milling. It's running on multi-row bearings, and I think it's the apex of the F95 production for Shirogorov, because it's the best one I've ever held in my hands. The action is stupidly nice. Guys, you see, you have to be really careful, but because it's guillotine effect, it's very nice. If you hold it in the right position, this is gonna be like closing down like a real guillotine. You have to be really careful, or if you are gentle, look at this. It's so smooth. It's incredible. Very nice in the hand. I love the clean look of the blade. The jimping is very nice. Absolutely rounded off beautifully all around. I mean, this is it's a beast. It feels light in the hand. It feels the grip is fantastic. It's a pretty good slicer. Look at this, almost full flat grind. The finish is, guys, phenomenal. You have multi-row bearings running, but the tolerances are so tight that you cannot even see the bearings because they are protected from the pocket lint by the design. Really cool. And that's my second one. Third one, it's this guy over here. This is Holtblade Works Spectre version 2 Prestige. So this is a special one. First of all, it has like a nice date birth associated to it, and it's the first thing that I really like. Secondly, I really like the look of this one and the feel and the sound, which are the things that I appreciate the most in a knife. You know, the look of this guy is just spectacular. Look at this dual anodization, which goes from this green and fades in a gradient to this almost purple. Guys, this is insane. It's beautiful. You have a backspacer, which is 3D milled out from a chunk of Damascus, like the clip. Look at this. Looks like you have some quartz going on, some granite, It's really, really cool, guys. Nice frame lock. I appreciate the fact that this is checkered pattern, which I like. It has the detent that you can tweak to your taste, so you can have it soft, strong. It's gonna be up to you. And of course I like, like this gorgeous a cappella Damas steel blade. Really, really cool. The sound this guy makes, guys, this is the Spectre sound. You can't mistake this sound. And the action also is like really, really smooth. Overall, beautiful, beautiful piece. The fourth one, of course, it's this Peter Rassenti Nirvana. This is a 3.0. It's a large version. It's just crazy, guys. This is so good. I mean, the look of this integral Mokutai handle with these milled out grooves is just pure awesomeness. Damascus clip. I mean, the craftsmanship is outstanding. I mean, look at this crazy hollow grind Damas steel blade, just beautiful. You can just spidey flick like that. You can thumb flick like this, and this sound. Did you hear this? Oh, what is this? This sound should be illegal in the knife industry. It's so good. It's insanely nice. Really well put together. It's a very expensive one, of course, but it's just a gorgeous one. It's really, really. Peter Rassenti knocked it out of the park with this one, and it's just a stunner, I think. And lastly, but not leastly, we have this gorgeous Rain by Kirby Lambert. This is a pretty insane blade, guys. It's my latest acquisition. You're gonna see the review on this guy. It's just fantastic. Dragon skin Damascus blade. You have a beautiful Mokutai collar, zirconium polished bolsters, carbo quartz handles, dual anodized titanium hardware, and you've got dragon skin Damascus floating backspacer. You can see through. You have titanium liners which have been texturized and anodized. I mean, there's a lot of things going on in this guy. Zirconium pocket clip. Look at the pivot, guys. Look at this. I mean, the fit and finish on this one is ridiculous. It's superb. The grip is fantastic. The look is, I mean, I don't know what to say. The carbo quartz, it's phenomenal. This transition here is absolutely seamless. There's no gaps, nothing. This is phenomenal. The action, look at this, buttery smooth. It's crazy. And this dragon skin, hollow grind, beautiful thumb ramp. I mean, oh, this is a phenomenal one. So also, you know, Kirby Lambert, great Canadian knife maker. It's with this one, it really impressed me. It's just another phenomenal blade. All right, guys, so there you have it. These are my top 5 knives in my collection right now, as of August 2020. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.